Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a saber-toothed tiger versus a velociraptor, okay? It's going to be the standoff drawing step by step, and let's just hop right into it, okay? It's going to be pretty quick, so let's do it. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to actually go over here, and I'm going to draw a kind of line out there. I'm starting with the saber-toothed tiger. Curve back. And I'm going to pull back here for the open mouth. I'm going to go back right here for kind of the snout area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a line up, kind of the eye area. Back over here for the top of the head. And we're going to have a line pulling back, curve like that for just kind of the folded back ear. Line over here. Out, down, okay. So you got the top of the head right there, and we're gonna keep pulling back because he has a huge neck. The saber-toothed tiger. I think it's called Smilodon, right? We're gonna go over here, and now we're gonna do the famous, right? What he's famous for is the giganto kind of canines there. Huge canines. So we do the exact same thing on the other end too, to kind of have both of those guys. Curve back for this open mouth, and then we still need the underside of his mouth right here. Okay. Line for the teeth in the lower mouth there. Pulling out. Zigzag right here, like a shaggy like chin or something. Pulling up. For the back of the jaw here, back for kind of the fuzzy hair, and he's gonna have some hair kind of going down here, zigzag, like so. Go over here to the front, curve for the nose, and line down here for underneath the eye. And then one thing is I'm gonna fill in the, well, right here with the tongue. I'm gonna fill in this part of the mouth, right there. Probably even the back side as well, of the far side tooth, most of it. Some teeth over here, down there. Like he is really putting a lot of effort into that roar. Curve over here for the side of the mouth. Line over here, and we're gonna pull back over here down for the throat. Really huge neck. They kind of have to have huge necks. If you look at like current day big cats, they have a pretty big neck when they have to, because they have to, like, when they grab something, you want to have control of it, right? They're using their mouth for that and their claws. So that would be Smilodon on that side, the saber-toothed cat. And now let's go over here for the raptor, the velociraptor. So pretty close. Line over here. By the way, tell me in the comments who you think would win, a saber-toothed tiger or a velociraptor? Because, you know, this is a velociraptor, saber-toothed tiger is like a bigger tiger. Who do you think would win? I actually don't know. I'm not even joking about that. I thought about it. I'm a really big fan of dinosaurs, but truthfully, I don't really know. Maybe the velociraptor, but I don't know. I don't know about that because it has hands and stuff. So I don't know. What would you vote for? Let me know in the comments section. I'm curious. Go over here, line up, pulling back, curve line over here for the kind of the brow of the eye right there. If this is going too quick, by the way, you can always pause, rewind, do what you need to do. Go over here, line down, up. And also, if you want to learn everything you need to learn that there is to learn about drawing, go check out the lessons on sketchingeasy.com. I'm working on putting out full-blown lessons on there on like anatomy, on everything you need to know. I'm going to put it on there, but I am working on it still. But maybe by this audio, it'll be up there by now. So sketchingeasy.com. But what is on there is a beginner drawing lesson. Sketchingeasy.com. Go click the dragon, and there's a beginner drawing lesson on how to get your line work clean, because that's a very big issue I notice with people, right? Curve line here. Let's go over here for the eye. We're going to give him a slit pupil, even though he definitely didn't have one, but I just kind of like that look. There's no way the Velociraptor had a slit pupil. And I mean the Velociraptor from like Jurassic Park. That's the version I mean. Obviously, the dinosaur guys are going to come in here, and I am one of them, trust me. They're going to come in here and they're going to say, Velociraptor is actually the size of a chicken. There's no way. I'm talking about the Jurassic Park Velociraptor, okay? Deinonychus, like that's what I mean, okay? Deinonychus, really. Let's go over here and draw the lower portion of the mouth here before I draw the teeth. Over there. Because Deinonychus is actually formidable, I think, to a saber-toothed cat. The real Velociraptor in real life, the way it really was the size of a chicken, and I think would immediately get eaten by the saber-toothed tiger. But, you know, I meant the one from Jurassic Park. Line out, Jurassic World, you know. Jurassic World and Park. So we're going over here to the back of the neck, pulling down. Line over here. Remember to have that line for the throat. And line over here. Line over here for the mouth. Kind of changing up, varying the size of the teeth. Curve line out for the tongue. And then you can even throw like some skin here for the other side of the mouth over there to make it look like there's some sort of dimension to it, right? Let's go with the nostril over here. Let's give it a little bit more of an angry look. And now everything from this point is going to be detail. It's all going to be texture this. Let's put a line over here for the ear area, right? Line, line, line. Maybe like a hash mark. Curve, curve, curve. Little tiny curves representing what would be scales, right? Little curves, little like under curves, which will represent scales. You can fill in the bottom of the neck here to give it a little bit more oomph, a little bit more. It looks like it's just there more. Line underneath. It gives it more weight, basically. Like the darkness gives a lot of weight. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. You know, and like we're just literally, I'm just doing texture at this point. Maybe right here as well on the tooth. Right? To make it feel more solid. Give a little darkness right there. Same thing over here around the, you can draw little like stuff around the eyes. Real tiny stuff like right here. Just little thin little marks that make it look a little bit more granular. Obviously he's fur, right? A little bit more fuzzy. You can even draw like right here on the bottom of his neck, you know, a shadow right there. And that's it. I want to thank you very much. That is a saber-toothed tiger versus Velociraptor. Please, who do you think would win? Remember, Velociraptor from Jurassic World. Who do you think would win? And I don't know. I really don't know, honestly. I'm not joking. I guess maybe I'd guess Velociraptor because he's got the hands, maybe. Like he can use his hands a little bit more like hands. But this guy was like super fast too, so I don't know. And he was pretty big too, as far as I remember. The thing was huge. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll talk to you very soon.